Folks, Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board a 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It is a machine. Beautiful condition, in top nick. The best 340 Sea Ray by far in the Pacific Northwest, hands down. I dare you to compare. Great machine. So here we go. We're going to do a quick startup video for you because we like to do that. We're the only brokerage consistently doing startup videos on the boats that we are selling. There's a reason for it because they don't always start. Always take a boat for a sea trial before you do a survey or mechanical so you know the boat runs. We're happy to do that with you as well upon accepted offer with deposit. I'm Philip. I'm the owner of the company. We will not do it any other way. My phone number is 604-708-1980. So the first thing we're going to do is I've already been in the engine room compartment. If you watch my engine room video, I did that the very first thing on this boat. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn the bilge blower on. You can hear it running. It's funny how many bilge blowers don't work on these boats. I'm going to open up the windshield vent there. You can probably see it. Well, I can see it. You probably can't because of the canvas that he likes to put over top of it. Even though it's a makeshift, it just keeps the sun off the gauges, keeps them nice and clear. So let's start with the port engine. No particular order. Fuel injected. Push on the gauge for a second. Quick look at the temp gauge there. On the left there, you can see it's not even registering because it's dead cold start. Here we go. Let's fire it up. There we go. Looks like the voltmeter probably needs to be replaced. And the port trim gauge, which is real typical, isn't operating either, but that voltmeter, it fired up beautifully, so we know we got lots of juice there. It may come back out, but that's full disclosure. We're not fixing it, not at this price point. Easy to replace that gauge too if you so choose. Let's do the exact same thing on this. Well, before we do that, we're just going to take a look out the back so you can see what it looks like. Here we go. No exhaust whatsoever, nice and clear. What you'd expect. We're going to do the same thing on the starboard engine now. Here we go. I'm going to turn the ignition on. You're going to look at the temp gauge. You can see that the temp is not reading because it's a dead cold start. Here we go. And it fired right up. Voltmeter popped right up. Half a tank of fuel, running just shy of 40 psi at an idle. The port engine's running slightly higher. That's a ton of oil pressure in it. The trim gauge on the starboard side appears to be working and both tacks are working. Trim gauges are just for feel. This boat does have stern drives on it. It's got Bravo 3s. MerCruiser Bravo 3s, great drives. This boat will get up and perform better than the inboard models of this boat. 7.4s are a workhorse of an engine and they're both fuel injected. They fired up beautifully. Let's go take a look at the exhaust out the back. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to show you it shifting in and out of gear. So a quick look out the back. And again, nothing on the water, no sheen whatsoever, and no exhaust smells. What a great boat. We're going to do a generator startup video as well. I'm going to show you it shifts in and out of gear. There's the starboard engine. There we go. Starboard engine in gear and into reverse. Gave it a little too much there. Whoops. And then the port went in forward, neutral, reverse. Both are shifting nicely. Exactly what we'd expect. 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It doesn't get any better than this. I'm going to let it warm up for a little while. I'm going to do a generator startup video for you. You can see both gauges are starting to warm up slightly, both consistent. And again, the port voltmeter does not appear to be working, nor the trim gauge. We won't be fixing those at this price point. We disclose what we know about the boats. We know that. We're telling you that, so you know. Easy things to fix. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, 604-708-1980. We're excited to sell you this boat. Startup video, 340 Sea Ray Sundancer.